Yeah, for sure. I think the other thing that I talk with pregnant women about is you're probably going to need to get worked on more as you get closer to delivery. Mm-hmm. So typically it will start to follow the midwife's visits, mm-hmm. right? Like beginning, you're not seeing them as often. Mm-hmm. As you get closer to your due date, you're seeing them every couple weeks, mm-hmm. once a week. Mm-hmm. It's probably going to be the same sort of frequency coming in here and getting worked on, mm-hmm. because it's going to make, and again, I've seen this with a ton of women that we've seen in here. I believe it will make delivery easier, mm-hmm. if mm-hmm. your pelvis is more aligned. It's